So, why study movement and why study the Laban-Martineff movement system approach to movement? And if you are involved in theater or dance, you know that movement is a crucial component, particularly to theater and dance. And I'd like to take this opportunity to remind us, as Laban often did, and his student Jean Newlove, who really focused her work with actors, that movement is not just about moving the limbs of the body, but that voice is movement too. Because movement is such a fundamental part of being alive, we can take it for granted. And that means that maybe we are not as aware of our own preferences and choices regarding our movement, our own biases. And that also means things that we are leaving out and not exploring. And I believe the solution to exploring those things, the way to do that, is through the Laban-Martineff movement system. As we become aware of these concepts and the vocabulary to address them, and we engage in movement experiences, we become aware of our own movement patterns and also ways that we might grow our movement choices, which as an actor or a dancer is going to be super beneficial to the work that you do and to having just a bigger palette of choice available for your character work, for your technique work, for your own personal embodiment.